Today is Wednesday, November the 11th. My name is Jason Davis, and this is My Social Energy. Wherever you are in the world today, let your sun shine. No matter what the weather pattern is, it could be stormy, it could be too hot, it could be too cold, it could be rainy, it could be snowing. Whatever it is, let your sun shine. You see, we could be dealing with disaster, and we could be knee, maybe even waist deep in floodwaters of tragedy, of crisis, of natural disaster, literally, figuratively. We could be nearly drowning, but let your sun shine. You see, the benefits of our character only expire from no use or misuse. Be determined. Be determined that we will succeed. That we will succeed beyond any of our current dreams, any of our current visions. And the more successful that we become, the greater our benefits will become. Universal laws protect, they provide for persons like you and I, persons of sound character.